Look at that.
Stuff is when Jesus like horse and me when chasing on a girl who has everything. The good I could get me.
The strong treasures of
Oh, how many wonders someone hold. How many wonders things soon. Got everything. Got gods and demons aplenty. I got children and my rewards. So that was good to me. Cares, no guilt. I want more. I wanna be looking too far. Next fire, jumping, dancing, thrown on a wall, looking to reach over they walk, upward I run, upward they say, oh they are not some, just you and me. Wish I could be part of a world. What would I say? Wouldn't they warm on the sand? Bitter and you understand, but I don't remember as others. We're the swimming, sick and swimming, ready to stay and ready to know what the people know. Ask some other questions and what's the answers? What's a fire and what's it? What's a word? Bird, this is my turn. With a light off and to a small world and above. Out of your sea, wish I could be part of a world.
Very good. I'm so
Let me
proud.
see it.
Okay, say my name is Ali Garcia.
My name's Addie Garcia.
Do you want me to call you Ali or Aaliyah?
Leah.
Okay, so say my name is Aaliyah Garcia.
My name's Leah Garcia.
And how old are you?
2.
2. And what was that song you just sang?
Ariel.
It was Ariel. Oh, that's a good song. Very good. You can blow mommy kisses? And blow your baby sister kisses? And what's her name?
Raya.
Baby Raya. And where's your daddy?
At work.
He's at work. We miss him, huh? Say, love you, daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Okay.